Hello guys, today I will teach you how to buy Doujinshi from AOCS proxy. AOCS proxy link to Toranoana website which you don't have to pay proxy and you can get latest Doujinshi. First, you have to register AOCS account. Next, put your email and click register. AOCS sent link register to your email. Click the link register from your email. Please enter your full name especially at re-enter part. This will put at your shipment label. Continue fill in the register form. Until your home address. Put your phone number and you don't need put your tax number. Tick the box if you want to send the parcel to same address. Scroll down, click agree and click proceed. AOCS will send email for confirmation. Done register. You can log in Toranoana use your ID. Password same as your AOCS account. After login you start search name of character. Ship character, title, and etc. in Japanese. You can click which doujinshi you want. Is still available. You can add to cart, add to wishlist if available or not. You can also check store inventory if Toranoana store available. Usually Toranoana available at main store, which at Kabukiru 7F. If Doujinshi not available, you can make reprint request into vote. Doujinshi also depend on author if they want to reprint another batch. You can set alert if Doujinshi restock. They will send alert to your email if restock. You can also set alert tag like author, shipper, genre, and etc. You can start add to cart. After that, click recalculation for update. Total doujinshi you added. If satisfied with your order, you can click order process in stock. When you're at link to the AOCS, your address will be AOCS warehouse. This shipping fee is free, which from Toranoana to AOCS. AOCS will start charge if the parcel already arrived at warehouse. AOCS sent email if parcel arrived at warehouse. You can make payment in yen. FYI, protection package at package material will automatically added it in weight, which they charge through weight, and included handling fee. AOCS only have 3 shipping service, which this service kinda expensive for me. Toranoana sent email notified about parcel. AOCS will send email total cost, and you can pay using credit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, and Alipay. If you pay on day, you receive email invoice from AOCS. AOCS will shipping your parcel on that day. Around a week, you can get parcel if you lived in Asia area. Delivery day depend on country you live. This is the first parcel that I purchased Toranoana from AOCS for the first time. FYI, this package material added with weight around 0.2 kilograms in your invoice. The size of cardboard and box fit size, which make me hard to take it out. This package wrap from Toranoana, which they compile order doujinshi together. Let's unboxing. All doujinshi that I bought genre, ensemble stars. I ship Kaoru X Kanata. Just my own preference. I'm Undead P. I ship Ray X HA. Just my own preference. Thank you for watching AOCS tutorial.